right, so this is a whole case of Bubly. Let's open it up, show you exactly what you get. So the numbers kind of seem to be random because there's like 2 of this blueberry pomegranate bubbly. See, 1, 2, but then there's also 2 of this strawberry one, 2 pineapples, 2 white peach ginger bubbly. And then though, down here, for some reason, there's 3 of these. So like there's 3 cherry bubblies, don't know why. There's also 3 blackberry, don't know why either. And then 2 limes and 2 grapefruit. So that's all the ones that come inside of this package. Like I said, I don't know why you get 3 of 2 of them and 2 of all the rest, but that's just how it works. All of the tops say something, like this one says, hey ya. This one says, hi, hey you. So this is the 18 pack of Bubly sparkling water unboxing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.